How to find likes notifications settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find likes notification settings on an Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite, and here you will find your profile here in the bottom corner. Click on it and then click these three lines in the top corner, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then just click notifications, and then just click this one, post stories and comments, and here you will find likes notifications, and as you see here you can turn it off. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.